Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to view how much space is left in your Gmail and across your Google account in total. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Gmail and click on this setting gear icon and select see all settings. In here you just need to scroll down to the bottom and it should tell you how much space is currently being used total. You just need to click on it. In here you can see, scroll down, the storage details, Google Drive usage and Gmail usage and Google photo usage. Over here there are 15 GB available guys. You just need to scroll down. You can also pay for it for adding more storage, and that's how you view how much space is left in your Gmail or Google. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.